Hello my YouTube friends, welcome back to 1 Minute School. In this video I'm gonna show you how to hide the taskbar on Windows 10. So let's go. So you can see that I'm on my taskbar now. Now I'm gonna drag my mouse pointer on that, and yep, that's it. Now click on the right button of your mouse, then you can see a menu bar like this one. Now click on the taskbar setting, and yep, that's it. Now you can show interface like this one. Now click on the automatically hide the taskbar in Windows desktop mode. Yep, you can see that the taskbar gone automatically. So that's the videos for today. So guys, if you like my videos, please press and hit on the subscribe button. So let's see in the next videos.